Hi there everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps. We've got our round 4-inch gel press today, and we're going to be using our Elements ink pads, and this is graphite. We're going to be using some of the Brushos as well. Now, our ink pads are very juicy and the colours are incredibly vivid. So we only want a small amount of ink, the gel press, to give us a good base for the Brushos. So just blend that nicely. Doesn't look like there's anything on there, but believe me, there is plenty on there to get that fabulous effect using the Brushos over the top. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit of the yellow. And we'll go with some green. And also a little bit of purple. And let's see what we've got. Okay, so I've got some multifarious card here, and I'm just going to do it that way around because it's already stuck to an acrylic block, so I can just guide that and then press that down, and that should give us a really nice background. There we go. Something instant to stamp straight onto. Lovely effect. You see all that sort of organic vein, sort of almost like a crystal. It's just fabulous, the effect. Now I'm going to use one of our wolves that we've got here. So, inking up, this time in the Nocturne, which is a lovely black. Show that we've got that whole area covered. And then let's pop our lovely wolf down in the centre there. Okay, so he's quite a big silhouette, so give that a good press. Let it rest a while. And there he is. Okay, so I'm just going to tear a little bit of paper now. I'm just going to ground where he's standing. This time we will use the Twilight. I'm just running that along the bottom there. And then taking our mask for the moon, popping that down and just working our way around the edge. Or in fact, maybe we'll do this. Let's give that a go. Okay, let's use the olive, and then we've got our stencil brush here. And I'm just going to go over the top. So keeping the pressure on, we don't want it to move. Ideally it'd be probably better to actually tape this down. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the graphite as well, especially in the corners. Just giving it a little bit of depth. Just take your time and build that colour gradually. And let's see what we've got. Wow, something completely different. Different is really effective. So I'm going to just go around the edge of the card using this other colour now over the top. Sometimes to add a little bit of water to the moon just to pull that out. So these are all water-based inks. So just by adding a little bit of water over the top of the moon, it will just pull that colour out to the surface. And then using a tissue, and you can see how much that pulls out, and it just makes that area a little bit brighter, a little bit whiter, and it just pulls that image out. Then we'll just add a little bit of glitter over the top of that. So taking my glue pen, I'm going to go around the edge of the moon. And a little bit over the ground there. And then simply sprinkling some of our glitter over the top. Tap that off. And there we have a real lovely sparkle going on as well. I hope you enjoyed that demonstration. Something a little bit different, using the stencil with the elements, and I think that inspired you to have a go. You take care, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.